Today we're going to sing melody paths together over one of my favorite chord progressions from IFR Jam Tracks Level 4 Mixed Harmony. And it's 6, 5, 2 dominant, 4. So all the chords are from the major scale, they come naturally from the major scale except for the 2 dominant chord. And this is a very beautiful and special sound that introduces sharp 4, note sharp 4, which is a note from outside of the key of the music. It's a beautiful chord progression, it has a very nice flow, it sounds really beautiful and it's very enjoyable to improvise and sing over it. So I'm very pleased to share that with you. So let's go sing melody paths together, connecting chord notes across all these chord changes. You're going to see all the melody paths that I already have prepared for you, and you just have to follow the numbers and sing along with me. If you want to keep exploring this chord progression on your own, I propose 2 different activities. The first one is to go listen and follow these chords with this playlist of songs that I have created for you on Spotify, which use exactly this chord progression. There are some variations, but everything is explained there in the Spotify playlist. You're going to find the link in the description below this video. And the second activity I propose is to go play and sing melody paths over this chord progression using the same jam track we use in this video. You're going to find that in IFR Jam Tracks Level 4 Mixed Harmony Essentials. You are going to find this jam track in all 12 keys. You're also going to be able to download them all so you have them on the go. And you're going to also find lots of useful tips to make the best out of your practice. So I hope you enjoyed these 2 activities, and I'll see you next week with another Melody Paths video.